Good morning and welcome to today's Friday live trading video. I'm only here until late this morning. I've got to shoot to London for a meeting, so I don't have much chance to find a trade today. We've got GDP figures coming out at 1:30, but I'm not going to be around for that. So I've either got to find something here early or have nothing at all. Now, I could sit here and have nothing at all, but looking at this euro dollar, overall the trend's down. I've been short, many of us have been short this week, but we're looking at the euro dollar right now on an intraday chart, and is there some scope for a little bit more retracement here up to the hourly 50? So which there could be. The hourly 50 is only at 111.50 odd, but I could go in long here, so I'm going to put 2 units in. Oh, 2 half units in there. I think I've got both of them in. Is it done it? No, second one needs to go in. Right, okay. So I've got long there, euro dollar, around about 40 or so, 41 net. So long euro dollar, I'll call it 41. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'll bring the stops in a moment. And yeah, talking of stops, let's put the stops down in the sort of upper 111.20s. Basically, it sort of needs to go. We'll give it a little bit of room, but it sort of needs to go. So I could I guess, be tight and have it stop down at 111.30. I guess if it's going to roll. Let's have a quick look. I'm looking at my charts off screen. So long euro dollar at 111.41, but let's have a look at the stops. I'm looking at my charts off screen here. Yeah, we probably can put it about 30. We'll put it at yeah, okay. Yeah, the stop can be down here. So we'll put the stop down there at 111.30. So let's bring up the 2 units. Just getting those up. 111.30, and then we'll bring the other one up at 111.30. It's only early this morning. It's only just gone 7:30, so it's an early trade. I just saw the scope for potential to break up and just have a little run this morning. It's not going to be much. Just go out to the hourly chart. Here's the hourly. I don't know what's going on with telecharts. Charts and moving averages here today. Looks like they've had a bit of something wrong with their data, hence why they've had little movements here in the moving averages. But anyway, it looks like their moving averages are similar anyway. So we're at 111.57 currently. That will obviously come down at 8 o'clock. So looking at 111.50 odd. I don't know where it will be. Depends on how long it takes. So for the sake of getting in at 41 there as an average, yeah, I got in at 46 and 41 too. So we'll call it 41. For the sake of that, I really, looking at the charts, can't really see much else. But like I've said though, the daily charts, the trend is down. But it doesn't mean to say on an intraday basis that you should just short all the time, because there will be moments in time on an intraday basis when actually the pressure is to the upside, and there could be a little bit of a bounce. So and we've already been seeing that with the euro. If I go back to the hourly chart, since yesterday, this is an hourly bars. So since yesterday, yesterday afternoon, it's generally held and bounced a bit. So we'll see how it goes. And but like I said, we've probably only the only chance opportunities I've got. There's not, by the time this rolls over, you see, if it did roll over this morning, then, well, I don't know if depends on how long it takes. May not be able to get in it. So anyway, stops down there. See if it can push up. It's got momentum behind it, but the trend overall is down. But we'll see whether it can just do a bit more of a retracement. We're basically trading a retracement here this morning. That's all I'm doing. Right, I'll press pause for now. Okay, just back here, and I'm gonna have to. It's 10 a.m. now, and this is what's happened with the euro. So if we take it down to a 5-minute chart, so you can see what's gone on here. So the euro had that run earlier this morning when I got in about here. It had a little run up here, got up to what, 47 or so, got up to the 500 MA, that's the red line up here, and then it came all the way down. It came just below 30 on the charts, got to 29 and a half, but as always on my platform, it has to go below 30 on, or whatever the number is, on the ask price, not on the bid. So I literally held out by the skin of my teeth on that one. And that happens. It's all about execution sometimes, and depending on which brokers you use and everything else. So still in the trade, but here we are at 10 a.m. I've got to get this video uploaded into the website and all of that, because I'm heading off for the rest of the day. I've got to go into London. So, well, I am at 10 to 11 anyway. So there's not much more I can do. So let's take a quick screenshot of the positions. So really are about flat. There we go. So there's the entries this morning at 46 and 111.41 2, and there's the stop still there at 111.30. Now we've got GDP figures coming out at 1:30 today, so we'll just see if it can get up to my hourly 50 between now and then. If it does, I'll start putting orders in actually for banking it if it gets up there. The euro could have more upside, of course. If the GDP figures come in as expected, we could see a little bit more of a float up in the euro. But if they come out strong, then we could see the euro roll over. But like I said, either way, I'm not too fussed because I am at least short overall this week. A number of us shorted up in the 112.20s area, so it's okay at the moment. But anyway, that's about it so far for this morning's sessions. I'm sure there's going to be a bit more movement this afternoon, but I've got to get the video up and loaded. So enjoy your weekends, and we'll be back in touch next week.